If you are there, some okrum, na me free Santas run about to say kwa. Esum tum sa. Interesting.
It is becoming unbecoming.
Man perisi mfidia say.
I say mfidia na say.
The
na so wara kasa asem kona ECG for no kwa ba bontia be kasa dada.
Easy was say.
Okay say the original chairman of the NDC. I say wo hwe ECG no mo ye no okrom especially in Ashanti region. Trimupo ekito mo se dodo na ye MPP for na po de de mo baaye. And you aha
time ye dey mfidie no bi ba Ashanti region ha no. Na po the engineer na po energy minister the engineers bi baaye. Na the engineers ni egu your mama abandon him ase e wa Ashanti region.
So where are they?
Nana Kwasi e na cast asem.
And now what the president is saying is exposing him. The president is exposing him.
Say.
That's more work on Tiasia and now work. On Tiasia, because president no president no. Abab is on top of every issue. Say, Ghana, if you look at ECG, your plan need to yes, plan near Noma. Papa.
Abusia for me, Mamu Namo Aquaba, Ediba Ghana and Sem TV so. But more this will like video now be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. So next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebit makabi. Now so watch the watching or comment section was sa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom. Na if by chance de me e ofen apeso boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma in Sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Okay. Because for now, bare 3 weeks in the end, crazy. If you are there, some okrum, na me free Santas run about to say kwa. Esum tum sa. Interesting.
It is becoming unbecoming.
Man perisi mfidia say.
I say if you didn't say.
The
na so wara kasa asem kona ECG for no kwa ba bontia be kasa dada.
Easy was say.
Okay say the original chairman of the NDC. I say wo hwe ECG no mo ye no okrom especially in Ashanti region. Trimupo ekito mo se dodo na ye MPP for na po de de mo baaye. And to aha
time ye dey mfidie no bi ba Ashanti region ha no. Na po the engineer na po energy minister the engineers bi baaye. Na the engineers ni egu your mama abandon him ase e wa Ashanti region.
So where are they?
Nana Kwasi e na cast asem.
And now what the president is saying is exposing him. The president is exposing him.
Say.
That's more work on Tiasia and now work. On Tiasia, because president no president no. Abab is on top of every issue. Say, Ghana, if you look at ECG, your plan need to yes, plan near Noma. Papa is to say there be and conformed a podium about Ashanti region ha or Mudundu no sabe your mama obey. It's why they're not mean. I'm talking to you, why they're not mean. Because the president now what they take ECG for offer. Almost say a overload system and obsolete equipment. ECG for ne kasau. Omo patches if you look at load to about Ashanti region hana. Lord no a certain demand na amount for penno. Lord Nisha.
That's why they may ration power. When the demand exceed
yes
the power now in Sakanwa definitely na a ration power.
Thank you.
because the demand no eso.
Thank you. And today now what is
especially peak hours no.
Offer then now what is the chairman of the NDC na Santro Jeka say technicians phobia na unko phobia na make sure almost sabotage his excellency Jojo. How did you feel?
Political.
Na penso. Ya antese be ma ne be me bia kugina baby fefe ya no. Di ayete ye ne say sankrofo ni bi ye se wo mo be ye party wo dan bim. And I buy ekotu se wo so. Ye di boni o. Asemo America na very serious pa ye di boni papa. E fasa LGBT ade we o. Ye di boni. Nana Akufo-Addo jina asofo ni nanimu ka kire mo say sa ade we be ye pa de nyame Akufo-Addo dan kwame time. It will never happen. Yes, there the president was not specific. Adentia. Me John Mahama. Me the me Assemblies of God ni. Intimididi say. Ni the intimi. That's ye kai. Ye ka so no there. That's John me say kai. And that John Mahama say so for ni na on manum pe or John Soka ho or tangum. John Mahama say asofo na mo the LGBT campaign tia Dr. Bawumia ni MPP ni na no obie manum. Or the true muto mama no or nibia kakraka pa odigum owia or Dumsor guso or saita or silly with super glue cause mo ye jimi fo asofo nyankopon endi sende wo musuma bu hu say ye dada mo anasa ye ka no kura kire mo na nke ye den na de odi obi ekoda se de empa so ye gay or no na betumi asopu gay. Oba abemu. Oba abemu no. The first thing he did was to meet mo sa asofo we no mo asofo tibonko sofo we no mo amokoye my last push passport no mo
pay this up papa we hu adanse enye ndi paketwa. Why your boni say erade di won kwa chaw 45 years. Ona wu ba de ye nyaatwo asenya moke erade na you are dragging the name of God into disrepute.
Yeah.
What say you hypocrite? Esa fra wo hu say we evangelist. Nyankopon na wo se wo sum no obetua wo ka. Obetua wo ka na re to beba wo so. Ena na ye digwi. Say we ye medra. Say we ye rudifo.
Okay,
say we kum nipa. Hey. So for evangelist. Say we kum nipa.
Hey.
And to your conscience and to the people of Ghana. Nyankopon obetua wo ka no maye. Enim guasie na betu kopi so obewu. Say when who Nyankopon mercies on your life. Say rade di wo boni kakraka we say wo de achew. Na ne wo ba be lead Ghana for straight the catch and say my busa John Mahama question. So for rade begu weni mase. Na rade enim guasie no e na afi asie yi. Nse na yakode ge wo. Enne usi yakode ge wo. Me show say if you watch na videos ni na be beda national reconciliation videos no beda bontin etu anu so ni de no nabusua osofo Lawrence Tete evangelist Lawrence Tete so ya medra so ya wudifo mo obi nkasa bi me hu mfa
obi be kasa bi na me ba
na sika ma pawo hwe nim se won betimi atua no na ebusia won atua ema na brosom won mo hyase se won mo chare won mo sem egu Ghana ban eso na nipa ya won masede won masodie sem saa sika won mo gigem eye Ghana Revenue Authority mpenifo to na ena oguso a wo gigem na wode som Ghana aban enti na no beto odwa se won mo tie atua ya kan ho asem pii ewo P7 kasa fidie som na eguso a ye kan ho asem na Ghana ba se watintie coalition meche wani am eye adwadifo nkabom kum traders advocacy group Ghana womo dia atodwa ya wo chese no ada
so for Penny Lawrence Tete 2024 e kan ya kan biti a Catholic Bishops Conference say womo ye nya atwom e no mo nyina nkasa emfa LGBTQI+ no ho e na fa go si hen sa de na ye chiwade esese ye sorry e ma o kan ya kan say se man Penny Akufo-Addo ansan sa bill no a obesim pam ono kwa one man demonstration obesim e dia seat of government actually man pene Akufo-Addo say this nonsense must stop sabokai and then there's of penny law is that o say dey en fa LGBT nyawa nsem wan kasa wo kansa asem we no e say wo kotena se wa wo tena se na wa bisa wo ho say wa bisa wo ho pa se dia asem a wo kan yi wa honim mu wa dwene mu wa disua mu onti asie mu se president Akufo-Addo na tie kunwa so se Ghana mampani a enka de wo kan no nura yi saa na obeka no ana de wo kan no nura no enka saa na obeka me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem asofo asem me mpeka kra a very uncomfortable for me me nya ade a me kakra ba se wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan trodo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kra wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president Mahama ye wadamfo wo ye wo bi a wo ne no country musam ni ade en ha me ni problem bia wo ho ba kanokre na ye hu se wa kanokre se de no a wo kan no bra na ban ba ko no kanasa ne me say me no odi an kan kwa me ye boa at least I can speak for myself and my brother odi an kan kwa me ye boa me mfere ho da se me ka say LGBTQI me time michi chi wade ma sorry a me ko me na me wagidie ka say me ma sorry a me ko Catholic no Catholic chiri ye time sa de no bon samode se be ma say ma me kwan na me nware be ma oba se ma me kwan ma me nware oba. The Catholic Church has been consistent said the tie nra no sa hwa ne ejina ne ene da achi nyina hwa ne ejina time wana Nana Addo Joseph Osebunsu konongo mampon we president Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference no we spoke against it ene under Nana Addo Majukwesi Jemfi we are still speaking against it. That is principle. Osavo Lawrence said and to person mo kire say the president ba ku bi wo ho dia and the hu no kura e wo Bible no but other person wo ho dia hu no kura e wo Bible no ka wo ye din anankeye wo ye din na kwa nka hwe ya nankeye pa osavo se woni mu a ade ba ko e wo so amanfo ka fa wo me ka mo atie anope say enra na social media so ma say wo pa o yesi abaya ti board bi a o mo na be hwe atonton state glass ni ade na oda board no su bi eno so ye da nyina ka eno ansem a after we eba social media no so and the sentence papa but modern na issue statement say sa asem na de enya no kre ba we de wo kan de video de wo ho ye nyina ate say wo say my emfa LGBT nya amanyosem so on say president Mahama be kan kire ye say enye priorities esi a owie na Felix Kwachi ofosu be kan say LGBT no enye priority mayen and I want they abeto so say me emfa ahoden na wo de condemn ye time na president Akufo-Addo tie akonwa so no sa ahoden na nkasofo penny Lawrence tete obi ebuwo na me hwe se ka de sa ahoden na be kasa ache president Mahama say obua ora eye priority magana for so ade na ye 20 priority 2024 then ye bedu 2026 the enye priority biom ade mo bisa e ho sa asem no
Peace FM.
Fan kwa na dwindwin mu o koda adwene wo ho ensem a me bobosi fa kwa dwindwin mu na bisa ho se NPP ti yesu ne ye ban yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pa cho me bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa it is a yan ye suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here me pa cho me bi so ya ready for power
because yan NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024 ni ene a wo magi go ye friends go concession mienu faso team say 2028 election sika be wo mu papa na people for mu wo bi the youth of this country no yan dwen wo chena biem ye frɛ na pa ho adaben de ye die wu ene ye gie dwa eno ne ye pe enti obi ani won wa ba ba dwene future obi timi ekogina adokno ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo be ka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye obi a wo ne no country musam ni